Hey everyone! Struggling with your Amazon Fire TV stick and not getting any signal? Don't worry. Today we're diving into the details of how to fix Amazon Fire TV stick network connection no signal fix 369. Whether it's buffering, connectivity issues, or screen blackouts, I've got some tried and tested solutions to help you get back to streaming your favorite shows seamlessly. Step 1. Check your HDMI connection. Firstly, let's ensure your HDMI connection is secure. Often, a loose or damaged HDMI cable can cause no signal issues. Make sure your Fire TV stick is correctly inserted into the HDMI port of your TV. If you have multiple HDMI ports, try switching to another port to see if that resolves the issue. Also, ensure your TV is set to the correct input source corresponds to the port your Fire TV stick is connected. Step 2. Reboot your devices. Sometimes a simple reboot can work wonders. Unplug your Amazon Fire TV stick from the power source and wait for about 30 seconds. While you're at it, it's also a good idea to restart your router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. Once reconnected, plug your Fire TV stick back into the power source. This step often resolves connectivity glitches and restores network connection. Step 3. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi is active and the signal strength is strong enough to support streaming. Navigate to the network settings on your Fire TV stick to see available network. Make sure your device is connected to your preferred network. If you're experiencing a weak signal, try moving your router closer to the Fire TV stick or consider using a Wi-Fi extender. Step 4. Update your Fire TV stick software. Outdated software can lead to unexpected performance issues. Head over to Settings on your Fire TV stick and click on My Fire TV. From there, select About and then check for System Update. If an update is available, proceed to install it. Updating your software can fix bugs and improve the overall performance of your device, making the connection more stable. Step 5. Resetting your Fire TV stick. If all else fails, consider resetting your Fire TV stick factory settings. This deletes all downloaded content and custom settings, but it can resolve persistent issues. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm your selection and the device will reboot. Remember, you'll need to set up your Fire TV stick again afterward and re-enter your login credentials. Step 6. Inspect the power source. Lastly, ensure your Fire TV stick is receiving sufficient power. An underpowered device might lead to frequent disconnections and signal problems. Use the power adapter and cable provided with your Fire TV stick or an equivalent standard that ensures steady power supply. With these easy steps, you should now be able to fix Amazon Fire TV stick network connection or no signal issues. From checking your HDMI connections to resetting the device, these methods ensure your streaming experience is uninterrupted. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions hold the most efficiency, so don't overlook basics like secure connections and software updates. Enjoy streaming, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.